Nature at Clanhan Primary School. Slugs can play an important role in the nature. A small shell can go in the soil. Slugs are part of a circle. Slugs can eat worms, spiders, and ants.
There are different types of woodlice live for 3 to 4 years, and woodlice can get up in a small ball and eat rotten plants. Hold off me. Blackworm is a black arrow mustache. It eats plants and it lives under things like wood and other things. Daft is a flower. It has 6 petals and it's a spring flower.
Beetles has a front pair of wings. There are 400,000 species. They eat roots, leaves, and seeds and crops.
Worms do not have a lung. Worms can live
4 to 5 years. There are 2,700 different types of worms.